just from your computer. Open the STM.
Everyone, welcome back to MKRC lab, this place where experiment something. Here I can show you the signal line. Actually wires I will disconnect. No, you can see easily. So where is our signal line? Ground on the nucleo board, and the second one is red line which is connected here, 5 volt on the nucleo board, you can see here. And the third one is the orange line, sometime it is yellow, and where it is connected here, you can see board, this pin 9th. I connect this full system, I connect here, which is called win pin. You can see here win pin, that is for the external power supply. Okay, when you do the power from the external source,